What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I got a 2012 Mercedes C250 with no crank, no start issue. So we're gonna go ahead and diagnose this car and then repair whatever the problem is. So let's get started. Alright, so as you can see, we have full power in the car, no dimmed lights, and when you start it, nothing happens. So in this case, our number one suspect is the starter. So we're gonna raise the car up, get some covers off, access the starter, and check if we're getting power there. Alright, we're gonna get these two covers off, all 8mm. Alright, so our starter is located on the driver's side, right here. And here we got two sources of power. We got the big one, which is the main power, and then we have a small one that gets powered only on the crank. So we'll check the power for the main one. There we go. As you can see, we have power here, and then we'll bring the car down and then crank it while we're checking this one to make sure we get power there. Alright, so I have somebody sitting in the car to assist us with this. So we're connected right there. Go ahead! See, on crank we get power. One more! There we go. So in all reality, if I bang on this starter a little bit, it might actually start. We have a starter problem. Alright, so our battery is located on the passenger side by the firewall. This cover is held by 3 clips. We're missing one, but it's supposed to be 3. We got a 10mm right here. I always wrap this just so it doesn't go back and touch it again. Alright, so here I think we have enough room to remove it without even taking the steering rod out. So we got the big power, which is 13mm. The small one is 10mm. And these two bolts, one right here, one more up there, they're held, they're E14s. So don't forget, we have a ground connected to one of our bolts. Both of the starter bolts are exactly the same. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so here's the new starter we got from Seg Automotive. Here's the part number for it, and as you can see, it's made in Hungary. So No Chinese stuff. Alright, so we're ready to go on. If you go up, if you go nose in first, it fits right in. Alright, so we got the two powers in the back to install. Alright, so we got our starter on, batteries on, everything is connected. Gonna give it a few starts. Alright, so that sums up our video. If you found this helpful, please hit the like and the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Take care. Peace.